Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to switch autocorrection feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then go to the languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, then go to the text correction, and here you can find autocorrection. Just switch this feature here and that's how you can enable or disable this feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.